So good morning everyone and welcome to this workshop, Modeling of Debris Flow and Flash Floods.
We'll start off looking at some videos that illustrate the types of behaviour that we're interested in seeing. As I said, these flows are very dangerous and very damaging and often deadly. So these events, in some of these events, that there were some fatalities.
What causes the flow to occur? Well, it's because of gravity, okay? It wants to go down the slope. So this is our gravitational vector coming down here. Gravity acts vertically. And so there's a component of gravity going down the slope, and there's a component perpendicular to the slope. And that's what I'm showing in these arrow bars.
I'm here to close this two-day workshop where everyone has been enjoying a lot, practicing with LAR flow, learning a lot about these natural hazards. And I think this workshop has been a real success. So I thank you very much for the sponsor, the leader of this activity, and you being here in the last 2 days. Thank you.